Patrick at Pals. Hey, Ford Cobra. You gotta love that. You might remember this car. It was in a couple of weeks ago and had a fire. Well, we've got it all changed out. New wires on it. Everything's ready to go. Power steering is tightened up. Has the right fittings on it. No more leaks. This car runs like a rocket ship. But you know, this is old muscle. In 1965, these cars were cammed up, had big duration cams with a high lift, and that's how they made horsepower. You know, today's supercars make horsepower with a much less duration cam. Still have a high lift, but everything is together. So you don't have to rev them as high to make power. A new supercar will run all day at 1400 RPMs and not have a problem. If you try to drive this car at 1400 RPMs, you're going to have a problem. So, old muscle equals high RPMs. And by high RPMs, I mean when you're driving in traffic, you need to keep the RPMs up around 3000. That means staying in a lower gear longer. With a new muscle car, you can shift and keep the RPMs under 2,000 and it's happy. It's just the difference in vehicles. Old cars are loud and they require more attention as a driver. New cars are still loud, but they don't require near as much attention. If you have a 65 Cobra, bring it to Pals. See you soon.